Essential hiking tips for your next adventure, Beginner's Edition. Before we dive into today's quick tips, a quick reminder: if you're enjoying the content and want to stay updated on all our exciting journeys, tips, and information, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and click the notification bell. Your support keeps the adventure alive, so let's make this community even more awesome together. Now let's jump right into the quick tip, and thanks for being part of the journey. Embarking on your first hiking adventure is an exhilarating experience, and having the right gear is crucial. Essentials include a durable backpack, a reliable pair of hiking boots, a water bottle, and weather-appropriate clothing. These basics ensure comfort and safety on the trail. Selecting the perfect hiking boots involves understanding the terrain you'll encounter. Boots with sturdy soles and good ankle support are ideal for rocky paths, while lighter shoes may be better for flat, well-maintained trails. The right fit prevents blisters and discomfort. A well-packed backpack is your lifeline on a day hike. It should contain snacks, water, a first aid kit, a map, and a compass. These items keep you energized, hydrated, and on the right path, making your hike enjoyable and safe. Navigating with a map and compass is a timeless skill for hikers. Even in the age of GPS, understanding how to use these tools can save you from getting lost. They're lightweight, don't require batteries, and work everywhere. Dressing in layers is vital for adapting to changing weather conditions. A moisture-wicking base layer, an insulating layer, and a waterproof outer layer will keep you dry and comfortable. This strategy allows you to adjust easily as temperatures fluctuate. Hydration is the cornerstone of any successful hike. Carrying enough water is crucial, yet overburdening oneself is a common mistake. Aim for about half a liter per hour of moderate activity in moderate temperatures. Finding water sources along your trail can be a game changer for longer treks. However, never assume water is safe to drink without proper treatment. Portable filters or purification tablets are lightweight solutions for clean water. Trail etiquette goes beyond simple manners. It's about preserving the wilderness for others. Stick to marked paths to prevent erosion, and always carry out what you carry in. Your respect for nature ensures its beauty remains for future adventurers. A well-stocked first aid kit is your best friend in the outdoors. Include essentials like bandages, antiseptic wipes, and blister treatments. Knowing how to use each item is as important as having them, so familiarize yourself before your hike. Setting up camp requires thought and preparation. Choose a spot away from water sources to protect local wildlife habitats. Ensure your campfire, if allowed, is controlled and fully extinguished before leaving to prevent wildfires. Embracing the leave no trace principles is fundamental for every hiker wishing to preserve the natural beauty of the trails. These guidelines help ensure that our outdoor adventures do not harm ecosystems or wildlife. Practicing minimal impact hiking and camping sustains the environment for future generations to enjoy. Researching and selecting the right trail is a crucial step in planning your hike. It allows you to match the trail's difficulty with your skill level, ensuring a safer and more enjoyable experience. Moreover, understanding the terrain helps in preparing the appropriate gear and supplies, enhancing your connection with nature. Trekking poles are not just accessories, they're essential tools for hikers. Proper use of trekking poles can reduce the impact on knees during descents and provide stability on uneven terrains. Learning to adjust and use them correctly can transform challenging trails into more manageable adventures. High-altitude hiking presents unique challenges, including the risk of altitude sickness. Acclimatizing gradually to higher elevations, staying hydrated, and understanding the symptoms of altitude sickness are key to enjoying the breathtaking views without compromising your health. Solo hiking offers a unique opportunity for introspection and connection with nature. However, it demands thorough preparation, including informing someone about your route and expected return, carrying emergency devices, and trusting your instincts. Safety should always be your companion in the solitude of the trails. Fueling your body for a hike is crucial. High-energy foods like nuts, seeds, and fruit provide sustained energy. Packing lightweight, nutrient-dense snacks ensures you maintain stamina without weighing down your backpack. Capturing the essence of the wilderness through photography enriches the hiking experience. Embrace the golden hours for the best natural light. Remember, patience and a steady hand are your best tools for capturing breathtaking landscapes. Insects can be a nuisance during hikes, detracting from the enjoyment. Applying insect repellent and wearing long-sleeved shirts and pants can significantly reduce bites. Additionally, choosing trails with fewer water sources can minimize insect encounters. Losing your way can be daunting. If disoriented, Stay calm and use your map and compass to reorient yourself. Staying put and making yourself visible can aid rescuers in locating you more efficiently. Building a fire in the wilderness requires responsibility. Only use designated areas and keep fires small. Ensuring the fire is completely extinguished before leaving prevents forest fires, keeping the natural beauty intact for future hikers. Hiking in the rain presents a unique challenge, yet it can be a rewarding experience with the right preparation. Staying dry is crucial, so invest in waterproof gear, including jackets, pants, and covers for your backpack. This ensures comfort and warmth, even when nature tests you with its downpours. Understanding and predicting weather patterns is not just about comfort, it's about safety. Before setting out, learn to read the sky and familiarize yourself with weather apps or gadgets. This knowledge can help you avoid dangerous situations, such as sudden storms or extreme temperature drops, ensuring a safer hiking experience. Every hiker should arm themselves with essential survival skills. Knowing how to signal for help, find shelter, or even start a fire without matches can mean the difference between a challenging adventure and a life-threatening situation. Regularly practice these skills in a safe environment to ensure you're prepared for any scenario. After a long day of hiking, muscle soreness can dampen the spirits of even the most enthusiastic adventurers. To reduce this, incorporate stretches before and after your hike. Focus on your legs, back, and shoulders. Additionally, consider a recovery routine that includes hydration, nutrition, and rest to help your body bounce back faster. Night hiking opens up a new world of adventure, but it comes with its own set of challenges. Preparation is key. Equip yourself with a reliable headlamp, spare batteries, and reflective clothing. Always hike familiar trails and stay extra alert to your surroundings to ensure a safe and magical experience under the stars. Footcare is paramount when hitting the trails. Preventing blisters begins with the right socks and boots. If a hot spot forms, address it immediately with moleskin or tape to avoid further irritation. Hiking with kids transforms an ordinary walk into an extraordinary adventure. Engage their curiosity with nature games and ensure they have appropriate gear. Remember, the goal is to instill a love for the outdoors, so keep it fun. The benefits of hiking extend beyond the physical to significantly enhance mental health. The tranquility of nature reduces stress and improves mood. Regular hikes offer a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Winter hiking presents unique challenges and rewards. Dressing in layers, choosing insulated waterproof boots, and carrying emergency gear are essential. The serene beauty of a snowy landscape offers a distinct and peaceful hiking experience. Turning hiking into a lifelong hobby requires passion and respect for nature. It's about the journey, not just the destination. Embrace each hike as an opportunity to learn, explore, and connect with the natural world around you. We hope these hiking quick tips for beginners was helpful for you. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to have you join our community. Until next time, happy trails.